clay is soft and luscious in the hands of its maker. When working with it, especially when pushing its limits, the outcome is simply gorgeous. I love sharing my passion and experiences with other artists, teaching them the little quirks and nuances of the medium, and letting them discover the same secrets that I discovered and am still learning to this day. If you are interested in working with porcelain clay and are still intimidated by the medium, I want to invite you to attend one of my workshops. In the small group setting of my studio, I will take you through a path of understanding, practicing, and building confidence to work with the diva.